job for us today here. We're tackling a monster white oak and silver maple. We brought out a 7-man crew to get this all done in a day and a half. On a job like this, it's important we have a high emphasis on safety. We're going to have 2 cutters in both trees at the same time, working them down simultaneously, so it's important that the ground crew has a high level of awareness to their surroundings. We want to make sure that every time they're entering the work zone, they're always looking up to make sure that the area is clear and that the cutter isn't about to drop something into their work area. Also, with 6 guys working together on the ground, it's important that we are all working together as a team. We're going to have both cutters working simultaneously, roping down large limbs and branches, and it's important that the ground guys work together to get the limbs on the ground in a proper way without doing damage to the homeowner's property.